What's up, OK fam? This is OK Panalo Season 5, Kalok Kwentuhan. Nako, wag na nating patagalin pa to. Please welcome our Kalok Kwentuhan guest for today.
Hello, OK fam! I'm Belle, ang Bini Maloy ng Cagayan de Oro City.
Kamusta ka naman, Bini Maloy?
I'm excited, I'm happy and joyful.
Ang ganda-ganda mo pala in person. Mas naglo-glow ka lalo dahil sa damit mong dilaw. May
Oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinagama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. Parang islang pagtropiko. Can't wait to go back with you. Sa islang
Nilook forward po natin yung Coachella performance natin this April 10 and 17. So, yun, I'm
Malapit
very
na.
excited. Yes, malapit
month
na. Yes.
Nako. Umpisan mo na at iruleta mo na yan. And 3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah.
Ako, times 10, times 10, times...
Wow!
Na, wag ang split.
Ito
Times 3. Miss Sonia, congratulations again. Sana magamit mo yung pera sa pangnegosyo mo. Thank you so much. And keep supporting OK Games and OK TV. Tag your friends dahil baka sila na ang aming matawagan at manalo dito sa OK Panalo Season 5. Maraming salamat sa pagsama, OK Fam. This is OK Panalo Season 5, Kalok Kwentuhan.